Hey everyone, want to generate high-quality AI images for free without paying for a subscription or owning an expensive GPU? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'll show you how to use Flux, an AI image generation model built by former Stability AI employees. The best part? You can run it completely online using Google Colab or Kaggle, so no need for a powerful PC. Let's get started. To get started, we need to access the Flux models. Here's how. Go to the GitHub repository. Link in the description. You'll find links to Google Colab notebooks and Kaggle notebooks. For different versions of Flux, choose the model that fits your needs. Flux Dev. High-quality images, great for research and development. Flux Schnell. Optimized for speed and efficiency, perfect for quick projects. Flux Dev I2I, image to image. Allows you to upload an image and generate a modified version. Flux Dev Realism. Focused on ultra-realistic results with a Gradio web app. Once you've picked a model, let's set it up in Google Colab. Click the link to open the Colab notebook. You'll see two blocks of code. The first one installs the necessary libraries. Click the play button to run it. The second one contains settings to customize your image. Pro tip. While the setup is running, you can save a copy of the notebook to Google Drive or GitHub if you want to keep your changes. Now let's tweak the settings to generate the perfect image. Modify the prompt. Scroll down to the second block of code. Replace the existing prompt with your own, using triple quotes for multi-line prompts. Formatting your prompt neatly helps with readability. Adjust the image size. Higher resolution equals longer processing time. Recommended size: 640 by 360 faster, or 1024 by 1024, high quality. You can check pixels.com for reference dimensions based on your needs. Set the seed value. The seed ensures consistent results. If you use the same prompt and seed, you'll get the same image every time. Changing the seed creates variations of your image. Modify the number of steps. More steps equals smoother, higher quality images, but slower generation. Fewer steps equals faster results, but the image may be noisier. Experiment with different values to find the sweet spot. Once you've configured your settings, click the play button to run the second block of code. The output cell will display the current step count out of total steps, the time taken per step, Once the image is generated, scroll down to line 28 and rename the saved file, flux.png, to something more descriptive. Pro tip. To find your image, go to the File menu in Colab, locate the image, and double-click to open it. And that's it. You now have everything you need to create stunning AI images for free without a GPU or expensive software. If this tutorial helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI and tech content, and drop a comment if you want me to cover more AI tools and workflows. See you in the next one. Peace.